Hello. Turn upstairs again, Eric.
Yeah.
Joseph.
And a new one, Alex.
And today is the word of the week. And it is drum roll, please.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, shut up.
Okay.
Okay, it is actually
Just do it. It's weirdo.
Okay, it's weirdo. And we have a couple, we have an example for you. Right there. Don't you see that guy?
Oh.
Alex, you're a weirdo without acting like it. So, definition of weirdo. Weirdo.
2.
Weirdo.
Two.
Number 1.
And number 2. I'm not
Number
afraid.
two.
I'm not afraid.
Me, Pigman.
Go!
Now you see what a weirdo is.
Chile! Win the national finals! Go!
Shut up!
Okay, boo-hoo, I'm going under the bed!
Weirdo and wussy. So weirdo is a weirdo. It came from the weird, which came from beard. Sounds good. He's weird, he's got a beard. Okay, whatever. Okay, the word of the week.
Put your hands up! If I can get this to work, okay?
If you can get it to work. Now, see, weirdo here, weirdo, shut up. Oh, it's still recording. Okay, weirdo is a weirdo, which came from weird, which came from beard. Well, okay.